Hi, my name is Nicole Talion. My banner ID is 017548115. I have not collaborated with any other live person for this assignment. Okay, so here we're going to use age as the variable, and we're in StatCrunch, and we're going to try and run a 5-number summary for age broken down by males and females in this data set. So we're going to go over to Stat, and we're going to go down to Summary Stats and 2 columns. We're going to select age, since that's the variable, and we're going to see here that it's going to compute all these different statistics, and we're going to hit compute. And here we go, here's our table. So this is great to use because it's a huge amount. As you can see, we have numbers 3,537 different people that we'd be studying. So it's best if it computes it itself, otherwise we have to manually do this. As you can see here, the minimum is 3. The Q1 is 21. The median is 24. The Q3 is 33. And the max is 91. However, here it wants males and females broken down, so we're going to go to Options, Edit, and we're going to go to Group By, and we're going to select Gender, and then Compute again. As you can see now, it's finally separated into what we want from females into males. Again, you can see the 5-number summary is also in here as the minimum, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the max. And that's how you find the 5-number summary. Okay, so here we are going to create a box plot. So go to Graph, Box Plot, go to Age, and we still want the differences between males and females, so go to Group By, and we're going to select Gender. Always check off Use Fences to identify outliers. That's the best part of the box plot. So if you go and we see here that it generated our box plot. We have over here the females and over here the males. Age is on that axis and gender is on the other. We see that there are outliers, which is these dots right here. Right there, the box plot is used to display the 5-point summary and the outliers. The box shows the interquartile range, so we can see that the females have a bigger interquartile range than the males. The median, which is that line right there, are almost the same in males and females, slightly higher though in females. And the above and below the box are the whiskers, which display the most extreme data values within the fences. So after graphing, we've looked and see that females had a bigger interquartile range than males. The medians, however, were very similar in males versus the females. The minimum for the males was 17, while for males it was 3. This is what made the 2 box plots appear differently because those whiskers, one was lower and one was higher. The extreme ages for males was 40, while it was 58 for females, which again, that is the whisker, the very top of that whisker, which is that line where and that is the extreme data set for right there. And then the dots, however, that were up top of that, those were shown as the outliers. However, for the males and the females, they both had max ages at around 90 and 91, again, which was shown as outliers. And to explain what the minimum, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the max are, which is, again, the 5-number summary. So the minimum value is, when you compare all of these different ages, it would be the minimum age. So that is the lowest age that is seen in that range of data. The max is the complete opposite. It is the highest data value seen in that range. Q1. Q1 means that it is the median. The lower half of the data set is the 25th percentile, which is called Q1, which is also the first quartile. And Q3, which is called the third quartile, is the median of the upper half of the data is the 75th percentile. Again, if you're looking at the box plot, it had those, the box, and Q3 is the highest one of that box, and Q1